What? What's up, everybody? I've got a new challenge. What I have here is a noun generator, and I have a list of about 50 nouns. Print them off. I'm gonna put them in this cup, and we're gonna render a scene. Consist of about 3 or 4 of these nouns. Let's get some nouns printing. Alrighty, I've got the words. Get cutting. Alright, so you know we got words like cheek and intention and blank. So let's just throw them.
A few minutes later.
Let's go see Adrian.
Are you sure about that?
What's up, Adrian? You ready for this challenge?
I'm down.
You're gonna pull out 5 words. You can exclude one.
Alright, so I'm first up.
You get first 5.
Okay, alright, so I got reading. Alright. Homework. Okay. Alright. This all follow the same theme?
No, it shouldn't.
Got solution.
Tell me omissions in the final written.
Oh, I don't have to.
Yes.
Okay. Homework, magazine, reading, solution, and championship.
See what I pull out.
Alright, here we go. Big money here, big money.
Alright, so I got health, session, got scene, okay, child, and climate.
Oh my gosh, okay, well at least mine had a theme.
Yeah, at least I could see yours coming together. Alright, got 1 hour.
To make whatever?
When you look at it, I need to look at your words and then look at your render and say, man, see you on the other side, dude.
You know, Alex probably thinks he can beat me. And maybe he will, but maybe he won't. Because you know, these are some pretty killer words. I like championship, that's a lot to work with. So let's get rid of homework, and if for some reason it comes into play, just sketch out something. So I sketched this idea out really pretty fast here. So we got this, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. I mean, I only have an hour. So now that I got these words, I mean, that's what I kind of came up with. It sounds kind of exciting, magazine reading competition. Let's start blendering. And I think I'm gonna go download some models for these characters. Alrighty, let's get to work. Can I do it in an hour? We'll find out.
Let's go!
All right, so it's been an hour. I did it. Maybe I need to practice Blender a lot more. Let's check out Alex's and see if I beat him.
What's up, dude? You finished your render? It's been about an hour.
I mean, finish isn't the word I'd use. All right, so you want to see this great reveal?
Yeah, I want to see it. Let's see it. Oh my God, Blender for Dummies. That hand is
Yeah, I know that hand's on.
beautiful. Magazine reading champion. Not 100 tips to snake. Number 3 will surprise you.
It's beautiful.
I like your dude.
So they're looking for the solution to the championship.
All right, you ready for mine?
Yeah, dude.
All right. Are you ready to what? You ready to look?
He looks so sad. That pillow. That just creeps me out, man. There's like a little child sitting there and I've been sitting all the way on the seat.
But that's pretty much it for this Blender challenge series. We really will put download links for these images. We're gonna try and do this at least once a month, you know, stretch our Blender knowledge, kind of show what we learn each month as we go, and so we can retain it. Because if you don't practice, you ain't gonna retain nothing. If any of you all want to challenge yourself for a Blender challenge, and you write to us or you let us know what you're doing, we'll even see about putting that up on the holler and just sharing everyone's work there. So, you know, this can get bigger than just between me and Adrian. It can be between us and you. Hit us in the comments below if you're interested in something like that. But that's all for today, so we'll holler at you later.